Hello students, welcome back to our English class. So if you remember that in our previous video we have learned the sound of vowel A, E and I, right? And in this video we will learn the sound of vowel O. So do you remember what is the sound of vowel O? Yes, the sound of vowel O is O, right? O is for orange, orange. So let's start. O, P. The phonic sound of O is O and the phonic sound of P is P. O. O, T. O, T. O, T. Ot. O, D. O, T. O, T. Odd. O, G. O, G. O, G. Og. O, Y. O, Y. O, Y. Oil. So, first we will deal with the first BC word OP. Op. The phonic sound of T is T and the phonic sound of OP is OP. So, T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. C-O-P, cop. K-O-P, cop. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, H-O-P, hop. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop, right? Phonic sound of M is ma and the phonic sound of OP is op. So, ma, op, mop. So, the second one. Ot, ot. P-O-T, pot. P-ot, pot. D-O-T, dot. D-ot, dot. H-O-T, hot. H-ot, right? The phonic sound of H is her and the phonic sound of OT is ot. So if we will combine these two, it will create the sound hot. Her, ot, hot. N-O-T, not. Na-ot, not. So the third one. Odd, odd. G-O-D, God. G-odd, God. R-O-D, rod. R-odd, rod. C-O-D, cord. C-odd, cord. N-O-D, nod. N-odd, nod. The fourth one, O-G. O-G, og. D-O-G, dog. D-og, dog. L-O-G, log. L-og, log. F-O-G, fog. F-og, fog. H-O-G, hog. Phonic sound of H is her and the phonic sound of O-G is og. So it will combine. The sound will be H-O-G, hog. Now the last one. O-Y. O-Y. O-Y, oy. B-O-Y, boy. B-oy, boy. J-O-Y, joy. J-oy, joy. T-O-Y, toy. T-oy, toy. R-O-Y, roy. R-oy, roy. So, now we will learn some new words, some more words with the help of word family spinner. Okay? So, here is your first spinner. O, B. O, B. Okay? Is the phonic sound of B is B. Then B, O, B. Bob. J, O, B. Job. K, O, B. Cob. C-O-B. Cob. L, O, B. L-O-B. Lob. M, O, B. M-O-B. Mob. R, O, B. R-O-B. Rob. N, O, B. N-O-B. Knob. ठीक है. Now we will see the second spinner. The word is OD, odd. NOD, nod. GOD, God. COD, cod. POD, pod. SOD, sod, right? ROD, rod. Here comes the third spinner. The sound is OT, ot, ot. Phonic sound of J is J, J ot, JOT, jot. T ot, TOT, tot. G ot, GOT, got. R ot, ROT, rot. N ot, NOT, not. POT, pot. DOT, dot. COT, cot. HOT, hot. LOT, lot. LOT, lot, right? Now here comes the fourth spinner. The sound is OP, op. POP, pop. POP, pop. LOP, lop. LOP, lop. BOP, bop. BOP, bop. STOP, stop. 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 The phonic sound of S is stop. Stop. COP, cop. Op. HOP, hop. Hop. MOP, mop. Mop. TOP, top. Top. Okay. And the last spinner. The sound is OG, og. ठीक है. The phonic sound of B is B. The phonic sound of O is O. And the phonic sound of G is G. Right? BOG, bog. LOG, log. HOG, hog. COG, cog. FROG, frog. Frog. The phonic sound of F is F, and the phonic sound of ROG is rog. Frog, that is frog. PLOG, plog. Log. DOG, dog. Og. FOG, fog. Og. BOG, pog. Og. So that's all for today's video. I hope the sound of vowel O is also clear to you. So please revise it at your home and also read the chapter of your book. Till then, thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.